y'all, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Lissa, and today we're going to be making banana Foster rolls. So this is a real simple recipe. All you're going to need is like some pre-made bread dough. You can either use yeast roll dough or I got this at the grocery store for like $5, and it's 3 loaves of dough. It's raw. Heavy whipping cream, rum of your choice. I'm using Captain. Brown sugar, cinnamon, some type of icing, vanilla or cream cheese, white sugar, about 2 or 3 bananas, butter, and then some chopped pecans or walnut. But anyway, let's move on to the next step. So for the first step, we gotta make our cinnamon roll filling. So I'm just gonna put about a cup of white sugar in the bowl, and then I got 1 stick of room temperature butter, and this is salted butter. A little more. And then put about a 1/3 cup of cinnamon. And then we're just gonna mix this up. All right, once this is mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and add in about, I got 3/4 cup. I'm gonna put about a 1/3 cup of pecans inside our filling. All right, so that's our filling. We're gonna move on to the next step now. So for the next step, I went ahead and put down some gift paper. I don't have like wax paper or nothing, so that's what I'm using. And you wanna go ahead and put some flour on whatever surface you're gonna be rolling on. And I took out 2 loaves of our dough. Let's see how much it is. That is 2 pounds of dough. So anyway, I'm gonna put a little flour. I don't have a rolling pin, so I'm using a glass. Hopefully that works. But anyway, get some flour. I'm gonna try not to like handle this too harshly. But anyway, you just want to take your dough and let it defrost and rise a little bit, and then roll it out to about 1/2 inch thickness. So anyway, I'm gonna just roll this out and come back and show y'all the next step. All right, y'all, so I rolled it out the best I could with the glass. I think I did pretty good. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and put our filling in here now. And just spread it out as best as I can. Hopefully that's enough. I don't think this is gonna be enough. So what I'm gonna do is repeat the first step, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the next step. So what I did, because I didn't feel like making no more filling, is I went ahead and evenly spread out the filling that we made, and then I just put a little bit of butter on the edge, and I'm just gonna fill in that spot we didn't get with some sugar, and that's it. And ain't nobody gonna know, because it's all gonna be good anyway. So anyway, at this point, we're just gonna roll our cinnamon roll up. Uh-oh, we got some stickage. But anyway, yeah, keep on rolling. Keep on rolling. And you want to do this kind of tight so it's neat. All right, extra flour. Move that over. All right. I got a lot of cinnamon roll here. But anyway, so at this point, I'm trying to get it as uniform as possible. And we got our log here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these into, I guess I'm gonna do like 1-inch rolls. And them little ugly ones, whatever, it's all good. Just put those to the side. All right, so at this point, I'm gonna take my pan. I'm gonna take my butter. And just get that butter all over the pan. I don't know, I probably have to use 2 pans for mine, but just put them in there like so. I want them to be kind of tight. I don't know how much they gonna rise, so I'm gonna just do these here. And I got my oven set to 350, and we're gonna go ahead and bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all what we're working on. About 8 minutes into the baking process, and I decided that I just want to go ahead and pour a little bit of melted butter on top of the rolls, just because that's my business and that's what I want to do. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and finish baking these at this point for another 12 minutes. So in a skillet, I have about a half a stick of butter, and I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 cups of brown sugar in there. So to that, I'm gonna add in about a 1/3 cup of cream. I'm gonna mix that up. Now, once this starts to roll, I'm gonna add a little more cream to this. I'm gonna come back and show y'all in a minute. So at this point, our caramel has started to boil, and I'm gonna go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of rum. Mix that up. And then I'm gonna add in about another 1/4 cup of cream. Alright, so this is pretty much our caramel sauce at this point. And off camera, I went ahead and cut up our 3 bananas. And I'm just going to add that to the sauce. And then the last thing I'm going to add to this is a sprinkle, just a little dash of cinnamon. And I forgot to mention, this is salted butter in here, y'all. So this is the sauce. I'm gonna cook this for about 30 seconds to a minute. I don't want my bananas to be too cooked, but anyway, I'm gonna come back and show y'all the next step. So I know I said 20 minutes, but these cinnamon rolls ended up being kind of big, so I baked these for about 35 minutes, something like that. But it really just depends on like how good your oven is. But anyway, I got that caramel sauce ready, and I'm just going ahead at this point and just put some on top. I'm not gonna put all of this on here. Some of it is for plating too. But anyway, so you just pour all that caramel on there, and I am going to heat up that cream cheese frosting in the microwave and then drizzle it and show y'all the end result. So this is the end result of our banana Foster cinnamon rolls. All I did was drizzle that cream cheese frosting on top and add a few extra pecans. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste for y'all. Yeah, that's hella good. That caramel is like really busting. But anyway, if y'all enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next episode of Cooking with Lissa.